a big thorn there, people. Hey! So this is what we're moving. Freaking giant tree right there. Not that big, but anyway. Oh! Jesus, that thing's deep. Say we hook it up right here.
Are you recording?
Yeah, I'm recording. That's part of it.
Oh, hell yeah.
Just picked it up. Come over here and hook it. Right there, buddy. Yeah, good idea. Throw it in the water.
Oh, it's a little bit cold.
Look how deep this puddle is over here.
It is pretty fucking deep, though. That one over there is.
Woo!
That one has ice in it.
That's deep. That almost went over my boot.
We'll have to go over the one that has ice in it right there.
I'm good, because I know how deep that is. Got the 350 Yamaha Grizzly.
Drilling dumbass.
It's made by Grizzly, dummy.
No, it's like we made it for 3 years.
Listen, buddy. If I find the Grizzly something, we're going to remove this tree.
I know, I was going to bring a machete out because I want to make it.
Watch this. I'm going to bring it. We got a little bit of work to do on these trails this summer. By little, I mean a lot. Because we got 2 trails to run. Got the 250. Bad to the bone Honda Recon. Listen, dummy. Stop being dumb. Pull the log out.
Well, that's yours. Oh, wait.
I don't got a tow hitch, bud.
You can rack it up to my rack.
You're funny.
I always used to do that.
Yeah, remember last time I bent my thing from doing that from the go-kart that went in the ditch? Let's not do that again.
You hooked it to a little hook.
Alright, come on. Let's remove this thing. Remove this little stick here. Yeah, we definitely need to clean some of this stuff out.
Alright,
Just drag it. At least if you can, pull up and try and get it to the side to where we can just push it.
I want to go over there.
Alright. You lost it. Completely. I'd say hook it from back here. Oh, you ain't got long enough chain.
I knew that. We should have hooked it right in the middle.
Sure just had me lift it up, dude. Who's coming to your rescue? No, he's not. Looks like you got this. You're doing pretty good. Good job. There you go.
Shut up, Joe. I know how to walk. My hands are cold.
I bet they are. I said bring gloves, and you're like, oh no, this isn't my first rodeo.
What's that?
Oh, then your hands shouldn't be cold. So, people, we got this load. It's been in the way for... How many weeks has this thing been in our way? About 4?
Yeah, you're supposed to start using this piece.
Yeah, it's about 3 weeks. Oh, there he goes. He got you now. He is a trooper. Yeah, it's 4-wheel drive. I don't. All I got is 2-wheel. Be nice if it did have 4-wheel, because when you stuck all the freaking time. Good job, buddy.